Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my Young Living haul for the month of February.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Okay, I actually have a really good haul this time. It's actually 2 separate orders. If you buy the starter kit, you become a member and you have the option of committing to monthly shipments. It's not required. You can buy your kit and go on about your life with the lovely oils. But this is a great option because you get a lot of freebies. You get a lot of free oils. I think I have 2 this month. And you get money back. So right now, I believe I'm at the 20% mark. Whenever I place an order, I get 20% back in credit. And so I did my monthly order, and then I did a second order with a bunch of my credit and got a ton of stuff for free. So let's get into it. First, we have a makeup item from the Savvy Minerals line. Last month, I got powder foundation and I love it. I am obsessed. I talked about how much I love that makeup in my January favorites, which I will link if you want to see. But I loved it so much I wanted to try their veil. So this is just, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, a really iridescent white powder, and you can kind of use it for finishing. And I've seen a lot of people use it as a highlighter, and I love my current highlighter, but it is like gone. I need a new one, so I thought, why not try this? So I'll try to update you on Instagram or another video with how I like it. But again, I'm so happy with their face powder in the same line. I love it. This is probably my last haul before my baby comes. It is due beginning of March, so I don't know. I might get my box before the baby comes, but to actually upload before he or she comes is a little dicey. So I got a bunch of stuff for the baby. One is this little sample size of Thieves. It's basically like a hand sanitizer. Ooh, that was a lot. Oh, it smells so good. I'm not actually a fan of hand sanitizer. I think like we've gotten too obsessed with being antibacterial and germ-free, and it's kind of a detriment because our bodies don't kill things off as easily as they used to. So I really don't use it. However, having a new baby, I definitely want to be a little more careful. So I thought I would just get the small one for when people come over to see the baby and ask them to use this because, you know, I don't want them to have a ton of germs on a newborn. And I also like this better because it doesn't have the harsh chemicals. This is the Thieves line, so it smells amazing and it has peppermint oil in it. So they do sell it in a bigger size. Just because I don't use hand sanitizer a lot and because I've never tried this before, I decided to buy this smaller size. I got another order of my Ningxia Red. Holy cow, I'm so happy to have this. I ran out like 2 weeks early. I've never run out so early. And every day I was missing it. I love this stuff. It's one of my pregnancy cravings. So this is what it looks like. You can buy it in a bunch of different sizes and quantities. And it is basically like an antioxidant puree. It's a puree, so it still has the fiber, but it's wolfberry, which is a goji berry, blueberries, cherries, just a ton of healthy antioxidants. And you can take it as a shot. What I've been doing, and it's my pregnancy craving, is putting 1 to 2 ounces in a glass and filling the rest up with lemon LaCroix or soda water. And I have one every night, and it's just like such a special treat. It feels like a cocktail or a mocktail. And I'm going to have one right after I finish filming this video. I missed it so much. I'm also gonna try to pack some to labor. I thought that would be a good pick-me-up energy boost during labor. So I have to figure out how I'm gonna do that. Maybe just like in a mason jar, put a couple in leave it in the fridge until it's time to go. Okay, and then I got some oils. Okay, so this is for the baby as well. Let me get them all out because I got 3 for the baby. Okay, I got 3 oils that are safe for the baby. What I'm gonna say is a little controversial, but oils are amazing. They are natural, but that doesn't mean they're safe. And Young Living gets the best products and they don't add fillers or synthetic ingredients, and that's awesome. But again, that doesn't mean that it's just safe for everyone. And on the contrary, they're so potent. And so you really want to do your research if you're pregnant or you have an infant or young children. And luckily they have a line for kids, the Kids Sense line. And so I just like feel good about it. I know that it's only oils that are safe for young children. So I got 3 of them, and all 3 of these I used my credit. I didn't have to pay for any of these. So the first one is a sleeping, it's called Sleep Eyes, to help the baby sleep. I have a diffuser in the baby's nursery, so I'm so excited. I'm guessing lavender is a big one in here. Yep, lavender is definitely in there. Hopefully this helps that little baby sleep well. And then let's see, I got a tummy Jize. I think this is like Jize for kids. If they have like maybe an upset stomach, I think you could probably diffuse it or rub some with the carrier, and you would want to really highly dilute on children, but put some on their tummy. Yeah. I don't think it smells amazing, but I don't like Jize either. It's definitely better than Jize. I might use this instead of Jize if I have a stomach issue. And then Sniffle Ease. I could use that right now. So kind of for a cold. I don't know what is in here. That smells really good. It's really like earthy. So yay, I'm excited to have just 3 go-to oils that I don't have to think about. I know that they're safe, and I'm just excited to be an oily mama from infant on. I didn't really get into oils until James was a little bit older, so I'm really excited about that. I got clove as a freebie this month for my normal monthly order. I think I'm not gonna open this. I might sell this actually because I already have one, and clove I think is one of those ones that isn't really good around young children or a pregnant woman. So I have an Etsy shop where I sell some anxiety roller blends. I'll link it below if you want to check that out. And I might start selling some of the oils I get that I don't want or I don't need on there, and I'll probably give it at a good price. So if you aren't a member and you aren't ready to commit, but you kind of want to try a couple oils, check out my Etsy shop. You might be able to score a good deal, but I think you'll love them so much you'll be back to become a member. And then lastly, I'm really excited about this. This is my year anniversary of these monthly orders, and so I get a special present to thank me. And it is called the Loyalty Oil. So it is a special blend that Young Living doesn't sell. They only give this to people who have ordered for a year, so it's kind of special. I will put the ingredients in here, I'm not sure. So, oh my goodness. I have no idea what this is gonna smell like. Ooh. It reminds me of Valor for some reason. So thank you, Young Living. I'm so excited to have earned this. I've been looking forward to this for a long time. So that is my order for February. I think next time I see you in March, I will maybe have had a baby, maybe not. We'll see, maybe one more month. But thank you for watching. If you have any questions for Young Living or you want to get started, leave me a comment below and I can get in touch with you. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.